Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the data you will encode. Place each URL or text string in column A, one per row. Once done, make sure you have Excel 365 or a version that supports the web service or Power Query features, because those make generation simpler. Next, choose a QR pixel size and an error correction level, L, M, Q, or H, so results match scanning reliability. Finally, set a local folder to save images. This keeps exported files organized and accessible. You now build an API request string in a helper column, concatenate the QR content, size parameter like 200x200, and error correction into the URL for a QR service. Then call that URL. In Excel 365, you can use web service or use Power Query's web connector for more control. If the service returns a data URI or base64 text, convert it to binary. For that conversion, use a small VBA routine or Power Query binary step. You finish by inserting the saved PNGs into your sheet. Use insert pictures or automate with VBA to place images sized to cell dimensions. Once images are placed, you can export the workbook or package the PNGs from your folder for distribution. If something goes wrong, first check URL encoding of special characters and whether the API locked you out due to quotas. Also verify that cell content length fits the chosen error correction. Reduce content or increase size if scans fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.